Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Open Google Lens in the Google or Camera app and grant camera and storage access. Position the paper flat, center the page, and remove glare by angling the light or device. Once focused, switch to document mode so Lens detects edges automatically, then press the shutter. You'll see a preview crop, make small framing adjustments, and tap Confirm. This early precision reduces rework, so take a moment to get alignment correct before moving on. Once you confirm the capture, refine the crop by dragging corner handles and rotate or straighten as needed. This improves OCR accuracy. Make sure the correct language is selected. If not, change it so characters are recognized properly. Then use the text selection tool, highlight the portion you want, or select all when you need the full page. Tap Copy Text to paste into notes, translate to read in another language, or export to PDF or JPEG for sharing. To finish, save your result. Choose Save as PDF or image, rename the file, and pick a folder or cloud location so you can find it later. Share directly from Lens via email, messages, or upload to Google Drive. Make sure sharing permissions are set when sending to others. If text recognition fails, don't panic. Retry with stronger, even lighting, increase camera resolution, or move slightly closer. If that still fails, try scanning page sections individually as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.